Aikari a kaunti ya Naikuru riu mari na gikeno kinene thutha wa mbeu njithi atatu kwamurwo kumarugamirira bunge-ini. Atatu aya nio Victor Perengei Gideon Keter aria mamuritwo ni ciama kia Jubilee na Sammy Serony uria wamuritwo ni ciama kia ODM. Kuringana na mutongoria wa mbeu njithi kaunti-ini ino Philip Ng'ok, niugite no ni njira ya kuonia a Kenya utongoria mukinyaniru kuma kuri mbeu njithi.
We'd like to assure the nation today that those that have been nominated to the Senate, Senator Victor Perengei is one youth who will champion the interests of this country to a long way. So we want to tell the nation today that we, the Naikuru youth, we associate ourselves with Victor and Gideon because we have worked with them.
Oho nioritie atatu aya kuruta wira uria kwagiriire niguo kuonania uhoti wa mbeu njithi kurumirira kihoto.
They have championed the interest, and now that they are at a higher level, I'd like to also ask them that wherever they will be, they should not forget the youth who they represent. We are many behind that we did not make it to those positions, and we believe that they are going to carry our mantle.
Handũ-inĩ hake Charles Otieno, uria ni muikariri giti wa mbeu njithi wa kiama kia ODM, nioretie thirikari ya kaunti kuhe mbeu njithi kamweke. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, njitagwo Wanjiku wa Waweru.